Hey, thank you for joining us today. We're very excited. I'm Dr. Steve Grinstead. I'm the co-founder and chief clinical officer for A Healing Place The Estate. And Dale, would you tell them who you are?
I will. I'm Dale Ryder, licensed clinical social worker and new to Holy Fire Reiki, which I'll talk about in a minute. But I am the clinical director for the family program and the spirituality.
And Debbie.
My name's Debbie Ruiz, and I am a marriage and family therapist intern.
Almost licensed.
Almost licensed. And part of the clinical team.
And we're very excited today because we're just getting ready to launch our first residential cohort. Up until now, we've done some evening outpatient programs. We've done several full day treatment programs where the patients would live up here in our beautiful transitional living home. But now we're ready to launch our full residential program. And so Dale, what do you see as some differences now that we've got this up here?
Yeah, the setting itself just really lends itself to safety, security. I think they're going to be able to integrate a lot of the information a lot better. We've got it set up a little differently too with services. So the integration of just everything that we've already, your wealth of knowledge and the spirituality and family and everything that Debbie brings, I think it's just all going to integrate so much better up at this beautiful setting. I'm a nature girl, so we've got a lot
Yeah.
of nature around. Yeah.
You know, and we're kind of unique here. We have a closed cohort system where people come in at the same time, stay with us for 6 weeks, and we do something different clinically too, because we have the clinical team. Debbie will be working Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and 3/4 of a day Wednesday. Dale will be working 3/4 of a day Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and I'll be all over the place. And this way we don't get staff burnout. And as we bring new clinicians on, we're going to have the green team, blue team kind of concept here. And then on Wednesdays, our overlap day, that's when we do our treatment planning. And we're very excited to be able to offer these kind of treatment services. Let me give you a quick tour around the back part of our house. At a different video, we'll talk about what goes out in the front. So back here, as you can see, is our beautiful pool and our spa. Lovely vegetation, very peaceful. And up in the back area behind that black fence is going to be our park where we put in a labyrinth and walking path and some gazebos. And then over in this corner of the property is where we're going to be offering equine therapy. And our equine therapist brings the horses right to us. She's got 2 big ones and 2 little ones, and we're going to have a really good time with doing the equine up here. So it's a beautiful property. And we are very excited about this. And if you or someone you love is suffering with chronic pain, you know, we want to invite you to check us out. You'll have contact information underneath this video. You can go to our contact page. You can learn more about the programs. You can take a tour. There's some photos about what's inside the house, what's out front. And be sure to check back frequently because we'll be doing another video in the front yard and you'll get to see a new perspective. So Dale or Debbie, any closing comments before we dive into our regularly scheduled programming?
Well, I think I'm going to piggyback on Dale. I think there's going to be a lot more integration with the programming that we do here. Now that we are going to be working on the weekends, I'm going to integrate a spiritual piece on Sundays with the patients that will reflect not religion, but spirituality, meditation, art therapy, and also some pieces with TED Talk and some of the leading spiritual leaders out there. So I'm really looking forward to that piece.
And Sundays also, after Debbie does her thing in the morning, we have Stella Davis, our yoga teacher, coming in to do gentle restorative yoga and sound healing, acoustical therapy. So we're very excited about this. And Dale, any closing comments about?
Well, just to piggyback off Stella, I just did my training with her for Holy Fire Karuna Reiki, which is after your master's level. And I'll be incorporating that with our patients as well. And it's a really growing and beautiful energy work that really helps to calm anxiety, helps with the body, helps with depression. It really just kind of assists with a lot of things. So we're excited about that too.
So again, contact us, and if you or someone you love is suffering with chronic pain and coexisting problems, including medication problems up to addiction, or depression, anxiety, trauma history.
Trauma.
So we would love to support you, and if we cannot meet your needs, we'll help hook you up with someone who can. So thank you for joining us today, and onward and upward.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.